For dreamers like Jaciel Lopez, his immigration status clouds his everyday life.
We know that we could be detained and deported, so it's really stressful, and it's really something that our community is always in fear of that.
He's not alone. A new report in the Journal of Adolescent Health says immigration policy changes are affecting not just Latinos who are undocumented in the U.S., but those with legal status, too. Damaris Encarnacion was born in Washington, D.C. on the 4th of July.
We are like families, that we are closely connected. So when one is affected, all of us are affected.
The study looked at more than 200 Latino parents in the suburbs of a major East Coast city, 2/3 living in the U.S. legally. What they found? 65% often worried or are very worried about family members getting separated, and nearly 40% avoided getting medical help or social services because of immigration fears. Researchers also found that those Hispanic parents experienced a 300% increase in psychological distress, including depression and anxiety.
The fact that we found such strong and statistically significant findings impacting parents' mental health in negative ways across diverse residency statuses was very surprising.
But not to Damaris, who sees the impacts immigration policies are having on people she knows.
The crisis is so severe that often we feel like we can't do enough for them. So it affects all of us.
Including her son, Caleb.
I could possibly never see them again, so that kind of just gets me scared because I don't want anybody to leave.
Fears shared, no matter their immigration status. Maya Rodriguez, NBC News, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.